You have to put the car back. Yeah, put it on reverse. Go back of the gear. Yeah. You got it. Come on. Go back. Hey, stop. Turn the wheel. Yeah, the other way. Yeah, that way. No, the other way. Yeah. Yeah. Good job, Coro. More. Okay, hit the gas now. Don't hit the gear. Keep the gear back. Yeah, back. Yeah, yeah, back. Guys, be careful with the car. Good job. Stay alert. Keep. Okay, get back. Hit the gas. Good job. Now move the wheel. Move the wheel, Goro. Move the wheel. Yeah, good job. Right there. Right there. Leave it. No. Don't touch the wheel. Yeah. No, you can touch it. Just don't turn it. Yeah. No. Don't turn it. Keep it straight. Okay, hit the gas. The horn? No, the gas. Your foot. No, not the gear. Hit your foot. Your foot. The gas, baby. Yeah, the gas. Hit the gas, Goro. Good job. Slowly. Right there. You're okay right there, baby. Good job. Let's go take a bubble bath. Uh-oh. Okay, be careful. Be careful, Isaac. Hit the gear, Goro. Move the wheel, Goro. Move the wheel. Hit the gear again. Guys, be careful with the car. Hey, you guys want to go take a bubble bath? Let's go take a bubble bath with Elmo water.
Hey, take a bath?
Yeah.
Get my shoe, it's wet?
Yeah.
It's dirty?
Yeah.
Why, Bobby?
You don't want to go yet?
Bobby, it can't take a bath?
Yeah.
No. I want to take a bath.
Yeah, Goro, let's go take a bath.
Bobby, they know.
Goro, Alexander said 1 minute, please.
Yeah, I think a minute. 1 minute would take a bath? No, 1 minute too. The blue car trip.
Yeah.